There's a shifting going on. There is a shifting pulling you out of old rooms and old places, pulling you out of singleness, pulling out of your poverty, pulling you out of that old city. There's a shifting going on. Welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already a faithful subscriber of this channel, I don't know what you're missing out on. Cut out all the noise, subscribe to the channel, and get connected. Join our WhatsApp app group. KeyWitnesses.com under services is where you find out how to sign up for a one-on-one encouraging coaching call with myself. I would love to take you on as your personal life coach and walk through your life with you. Get that insight, that discernment that you need. Stop walking around the same mountains. We have our Galentine's Day party taking place this Saturday. This is a Galentine's girl. We're going to hang out with the gals. We're going to have fun. I got some cute little things for you, cute little exciting things for you. DIY, karaoke. We're going to have blast, fellowship, get to know your fellow sisters, and let's have a good time. Let's have a blast. Let's party. We also have our EXP course that's going to be running throughout the rest of the year. Our next one will be in March. If you want to sign up, this is Go Shopping with Me. This is the part where this is the Esther Prep. Remember, EXP course, Esther Prep. This is the part where they're taking it to the harem and they have to shop around and figure out what jewels, what garments are they going to wear before they go, before they're king, right? So you need to know what is fitting for you for where you're going. Shopping on a budget, right? Shopping smart, shopping quality, right? Let's go ahead and do that. Let's get you all styled up and dialed up, right? So join us in the EXP course. It's not too late to sign up. You can sign up under packages. Join us. You'll get your ebook and you'll get connected to the EXP bosses chat where we're going to start loading things up there. So join us here. And then we're on our fast right now, our Sweet Victory fast. You can find out more about that on our community page. This is the part 2 word. So I'm coming back in. We just finished talking about Xerxes and Esther, and how Xerxes had to make sure that he listened to Esther so that the Jews will be saved, instead of Mordecai being killed in a season where death was reigning over him and the Jews. He actually got promoted. So I'm moving in on that because there is a shifting. You've been standing in a room. You've been dealing with a situation. You've been single a long time. You've been sitting and resting and a little confused about your life and isolation and boredom. But God says, I'm shifting you out of those old rooms. I'm shifting you out of places where you have to have mundane conversations. You're not relatable. The conversation in the rooms and the job and with your family and different people, you just don't relate no more. There's a shifting out of the old into a new land, into a promised land. But God is still asking us, and I mentioned this in our members only live, and I'll mention it again. He is asking us to be resilient in this time and make sure you're on this fast, because God is going to help us cut out all distractions, right? Xerxes, if he would have got distracted by Haman, he would have missed out on the promise. We're not being distracted because of the restoration that's taking place here at Prophetic Diary, because of the shifting that is taking place into marriage, into engagements, into healing, a shifting into your positions, a shifting into your calling, a shifting at Prophetic Diary. You're like, well, why do I feel so out of place? Why do I feel like I used to have so much fun doing that, but now I don't know where I'm going? I don't know. Because there's a shifting into a bigger and better place, into a new glory, into a new realm. And God is saying they underestimated you. They underestimated you. They never thought that you would get to the point that God would take you from an orphan to a queen. They never thought that you would get to the point, Mordecai, that you would hang out outside of the gates and now you could come in and sit as second in command to the king. They never thought it scenic because they underestimated you in so many rooms. This isn't magic, right? This is not this is the supernatural happening in our lives, right? Where they underestimated. This is our God. This is glory to the King. This isn't hard work. This is our God. This is how much he loves us. This is how much he takes care of us, right? This isn't man-made. Man hasn't done this for us. God did this for us, and God shall get the glory. They underestimated you, but God is about to expand you even more and give you double for your trouble. God is about to do it. But God says, I'm asking you to allow me to shift you into your new beginnings. I'm asking you to allow me to shift you when it's uncomfortable, right? Because you are going higher. This is shifting. This is restoration. This is, oh, they should not have underestimated you. This is the, oh, I never seen it coming. God is about to put you in a position that Satan never thought he's seeing. So just hold on in this season. Hold on, Prophetic Diary, in this time, because you shall see the hand of the Lord. They shall see the fruits. They shall see God do some things. You know what I'm talking about. You know where you're at. You know where you stand with God. It's about to get good in your life. If you feel led to sow into this word, hashtag shifting, hashtag full restoration, hashtag They underestimated me. I love you, family. Believe and trust in your Father. You need more faith. You don't need more work. You don't need more money. You need more faith in God. In Jesus' name, I love you guys. And I'll see you on our February Word Live today, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bye-bye.